Want to show you guys this quick trade on AMC. Look at this. Today it's up 17% to $7.70. This one happened April 1st, okay? $9 calls, 468 times 115. I'm gonna show you exactly how bullish it is. Well, basically I already done that. Someone is betting over $50,000, $53,000. Well, in our reality of GameStop, it's not a lot, but someone is making a bet of over $50,000 that AMC will be above $9 by April 1st expiration. I'm gonna show you why I think this was bullish, because sometimes the people that are actually buying calls, they're actually selling stock and they basically hiding their true color. This trade happened at 3:31 today. So you go here to the chart. So this is the minute chart, 1 minute chart, and 3:31 was around here for a price of about, let me show you exactly, we are at around 749. And the second that this trade came in, another $50,000 bet, call bet that it will be above $9 by April 1st, went up a little more from 750 to about 773. That's pretty awesome. We'll close the day. And I don't know if you guys caught this one. Did you guys caught this one after hour? $16.50. That's pretty massive, but either way, someone bet $50,000. This is a bullish sign that AMC will be above $9 by April 1st, and I assume he has done that in order to burn everyone else that are playing the weeklies, at least in the whole month of March. If you buy calls until March, I hope it will be above 9. But this could be like, hey, let's burn everything, and then the last day of March it will go above 9, even to 13, 15, something like that. Just my opinion. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment. Yep.